Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Permanently removing your Zoom account is simpler than you might think, and this guide will walk you through each easy step for 2025. Whether you're decluttering your digital life or prioritizing privacy, deleting an old account is a great move. We'll cover everything from prerequisites to final confirmation, making sure your account is completely gone. Follow along for a clear, straightforward path to account deletion. Before you can permanently delete your Zoom account, it's crucial to cancel any active paid subscriptions you might have. Head over to the Zoom web portal, then navigate to Account Management and select Billing. From there, click on Current Plans and follow the prompts to terminate your subscription. Completing this step first prevents any future charges and ensures a smooth deletion process. Once your subscription is canceled, the next step is to log into the Zoom web portal. Make sure you're on the official Zoom website, not the desktop application. After successfully signing in, look for the Profile option in the left-hand navigation menu. Clicking on this will bring you to your personal account details, where the deletion option awaits. This is where the magic truly begins. Scroll down to the very bottom of your profile page, and you'll find a small link labeled Terminate My Account. Click this link, and Zoom will prompt you with a confirmation message, ensuring you understand the permanence of this action. You'll need to confirm your decision one more time. Remember, this action is irreversible and deletes all your data. Congratulations! Your Zoom account has now been successfully deactivated and is on its way to permanent deletion. This means all your associated data, meeting history and recordings are being irrevocably removed from Zoom servers. You've taken a significant step in managing your digital footprint and ensuring your online privacy. It was that easy, and now you have one less account to worry about.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.